compact, portable, easy to read information, looking for a signal, and more. These are transmitter receivers to transmit what's on your computer, your gaming, and more. We're going to show you what this product is about. HSG Hong, 360 feet, 110 meters, 2026 upgraded version of an HDMI transmitter receiver for laptops, computers that you want to transfer information over and work on big monitors, even close by without having cables. We're going to open up the package, show you what they do in the box, and these are what the two little products look like. They are plug and play. Simply take out the transmitter, marked PC. A little difficult at first. It has a cover, a cap. It has an on and off switch and a window, and the HDMI port that goes into your laptop, like so. Blue light, red, and pairing are looking with the signal, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. You got some information, you see the screen enlarged, it's ready to go, just like that. As soon as you plug in the opposite end to a monitor, computer, HDMI, TV in the back, anywhere up to 360 feet. The PC has a supplied port that gives power that a cable is not needed. But on the TV side, you have a USB-A to USB-C that is required in order to get power. So please have a power bank or brick to run the unit. Two adapters 4K are included, different types of HDMI ports. On the back of the unit, we plug in a USB-C and the other end into a power source, removing the cap into an HDMI port of the TV or monitor. We find a port, plug in, and we find a USB port and plug in. And that is how the unit gets hooked up. Turn the TV set on, go into the HDMI source. If it's HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, press connect. As HDMI 2 is on, and we are instantly hooked up, just like that. Everything that you see on the monitor can be worked on the TV. 360 feet away, you can grab the unit, 110 meters. As I walk outside, and we're walking with the computer, you can see the mouse moving, and I am at the street level. As long as there's a line of sight, we are able to do our work, show what the transmitter, as you can see, the information signal offers you. This is your HDMI transmitter and receiver. When simply pulling off and disconnecting from the unit, we have a frozen screen. We will get a signal loss and simply plug back into the computer. Within a number of seconds, we will be hooked up as it recognizes the unit and switches on over. And there we are once again up and running with the HDMI transmitter receiver that is marked computer TV set. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you were looking for in your computer needs for transmitting signal, classrooms, and more, enjoy the product if this is right for you.